of matter, unit 9, class 9th. Question 1. What is the SI unit of temperature? Answer Kelvin. Question 2. Which device is used to measure temperature? Answer thermometer. Question 3. What is the freezing point of water on the Celsius scale? Answer 0 degree centigrade. Question 4. Which of the following is an example of good conductor of heat? Answer copper. Question 5. What properties of matter change with temperatures and is used in thermometers? Answer volume. Question 6. Which of the following is the lowest temperature on the Kelvin scale? Answer 0 K. Question 7. What is the temperature at which a liquid turns into gas called? Answer boiling point. Question 8. Which material is a good insulator? Answer wool. Question 9. What is the primary method of heat transfer in solids? Answer conduction. Question 10. In which state of matter do molecules have the most kinetic energy? Answer gas. Question 11. What happened to the temperature of a substance during a phase change? Answer it remains constant. Question 12. Which substance the highest specific heat capacity? Answer water. Question 13. What is the term for the transfer of heat through a fluid? Answer convection. Question 14. What type of heat transfer does not require a medium? Answer radiation. Question 15. What does the term thermal equilibrium mean? Answer objects have the same temperature. Question 16. How is heat transferred from the sun to the earth? Answer radiation. Question 17. Which of the following is a space change from solid gas? Answer sublimation. Question 18. What is the melting point of ice on the Celsius scale? Answer 0 degree centigrade. Question 19. Which term refers to the amount of heat needed to raise the temperatures of 1 kilogram of a substance by 1 degree centigrade? Answer specific heat capacity. Question 20. Which is an example of radiation? Answer feeling warmth from the sun. Question 21. What is the process by which a liquid changes into a solid? Answer freezing. Question 22. Which of the following is the best thermal insulator? Answer wool. Question 23. What type of heat transfer occurs when boiling water circulates in a pot? Answer convection. Question 24. What happens to the density of water when it is heated? Answer decreases. Question 25. Which temperature scale has no negative value? Answer Kelvin. Question 26. What is the boiling point of water at sea level in Celsius? Answer 100 degree centigrade. Question 27. What is the primary method of heat transfer in gases and liquid? Answer convection. Question 28. What happens to a gas when it is cooled? Answer it contracts. Question 29. Which material would feeling coldest to torch at room temperature? Answer metal. Question 30. What is the effect called when a liquid turns to gas temperature below its boiling point? Answer evaporation.